Hello guys, and today I want to share you the, the experiment of a POX Firewall. And POX is the default controller from when you install the Mininet. And Mininet, as we know, is an emulator of internet. So for building a network, we don't need a software, we don't need a hardware, we just need a Mininet and we can emulate the whole networking system. So let's get started. Uh, enter the okay. So one of the blog I want to share you is from here. Actually, you can go to Google and type the POX Mininet and firewall. And so on a very top of the result, and you will see this block. And the block is show you how you implement the whole process. And right now, I'm gonna use all the material from this website and to implement the the procedure and implement this experiment. Okay, so first of all, what is a firewall? Firewall is like the block. So it can block the internet between the host. So as we can see and from the source code they created, so it actually using the rules and using the block from the overflow. Overflow is uh, overflow is the protocol that for the software defined networking. So basically it's here. So from here, actually from overflow OF, and the OF has a block. So the block can implement the blocking towards a specific host. So from the rules, actually we can see, and also we can change the rules. We can see they have changed, made a blocking through each of the host. And besides, from the implementation of here, and they implement the forwarding. I mean, that means it number one, they implement a simple switch, and later on they implement a firewall. So the firewall gonna work with the switch and working as a networking with the firewall. Okay, so that is a basic logic of the host. So number one, and we will create the topology. And so that is a topology 3 pi. So remember, so we don't use this 3 pi, we'll use the 3 pi below. Why? Because, okay, here's the 3 pi. Yeah, that's a 3 pi that we're gonna use. Why? Because they use the remote controller that make a lot of difference. Okay, so we're gonna copy and paste those file. So for me, I put the file into the document. So there's a where I put the file. So you can create the file by touch. By touch, the file name and py, and do the copy and paste. There won't be any problem for doing it. And after that, we need to copy and paste the file of a firewall right here. And we need to put those file into the MISC. Yep. So which in the directory of the POX mix, and I put the firewall here, and you can see I already do the copy and paste, and basically, and that's it. So one more thing you need to be aware of is suppose you're already installed the POX, but the folder, I mean the folder have been locked. and you couldn't do the copy and paste or create any file or delete anything. You couldn't modify anything with the folder and including every file inside of this folder. So we need to unlock this folder or the file. So the way to do that is we can actually can see using this command. So in this terminal, actually, we need to use the sudo root, and after that we go to home, go to the user, and go to the POX. So that's where we are. So let's do ls. Let's check the status of each folder. So we can see from the tests, actually you need to enter from the root. So basically you couldn't make the change if you don't have the permission. So there's an easy way to make alteration for this folder. The way is that chmod 777 and add the test folder name or the file name. So after that, you will see the folder of the tests have been unlocked. So basically, that's what we can do for the locking condition. So after that, we have the controller. So then we will start our experiment. Our experiment, we can open a terminal. Not go. Yeah, we can go to a terminal and go to the sudo. Not sudo here, but we can enter from the document. So in the document, we open a terminal. So we need a tree.py. So this is for the tree.py. Okay, so this is another window. There's another window for the controller. Okay, so this is a home, and we enter the POX. After that, we open in the terminal, and we copy and paste this command, which means in this folder, we will run the POX.py and log, which means to record what they're doing. And we're using the debug mode, and this is a open flow version, and this is a switch, and this the firewall that we're using. So just copy and paste this command. So they will run the PyPox and with the two file running together. Okay, it's running. And after that, we turn on our topology. Remember to add sudo. Yep, it's working. So when you see the packets flowing, actually they're the packets are flowing and also they're being blocked by the rules. So now we do ping all. Yeah, so you can see the result, which is aligned with the rules from here. So from 1 to 2, they're blocked. So I hope you like it. So that's basically the firewall implemented by the controller of a POX. So let's wait for a while, wait for the end of the experiment and see the result. All right, so basically, sir, hope you like it. See you next time.